At first, he was just a normal kid, quiet, shy, invisible. But everything changed. The night he vanished, Will Byers wasn't just lost. He was taken into a world no one was supposed to survive. The Upside Down, a place filled with darkness, fear, and something far worse. Most people would have broken, but not Will, because even after he came back, a part of that world came back with him. He could feel it. The cold, the presence, him, Vecna, not just a monster, but a connection, a link between two worlds. And that's what makes Will different. He's not just a victim, he's a survivor. But what if he's more than that? What if everything he went through wasn't just pain, but preparation? Because every time Vecna gets closer, Will feels it first, like a warning, or maybe like a bond. And here's the part no one talks about. What if Will Byers isn't just connected to the Upside Down? What if he's becoming part of it? Stronger, darker, something even Vecna didn't expect. So the real question is Will the key to stopping Vecna, or the key to ending everything? Comment below if you like this sketch and want to see more art videos. Subscribe to my channel if you want to learn quick sketch, shading, how to draw a face, and easy art tips and tricks for beginners. I hope you enjoyed the video.